Kuda kwa Tagwirei, you cannot seriously believe you are destined to become the sole gatekeeper of Zimbabwe's land, healthcare, title deeds, education, mines, fuel banks, retail sector, parliament, judiciary, ruling party structures, military, police, prisons, in government itself. Sarapina mashu kubuda shitoka na kiruna mjati, aiwa agama a director, aiwa kuna kuda kwa Tagwirei ndo subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tingina pendo paka na kuda nyura chiti. At what point did power and wealth convince you that Zimbabwe belongs to you? Our ancestors fought against domination, greed, and the capture of an entire nation by privileged few. History has dealt with men who believed they were untouchable before, and history will deal with that arrogance again. What makes you believe you are exempt? Who are you to decide who rises and who falls, who lives comfortably and who suffers, who gets appointed and who gets removed, who speaks and who must remain silent? No individual is greater than Zimbabwe. No businessman is bigger than the people. No amount of money, influence, or political connections can replace the birthright of millions of Zimbabweans. Power without humility becomes dangerous. Wealth without accountability becomes exploitation. Ego without limits blinds a man into believing he owns what was never his own. Zimbabwe does not belong to one man. Fombo oyo ngamiswe varume ndoma developments anobuda panguva ine atiri kuona kuti kuda kwa Tagwirei panguva ine according kumarumors nemangwe mapost anenge achiitwa nesome politicians of social media kunoko kunzi aiwa kuda kwa Tagwirei is fighting aiwa to be one of the presidents or to lead the country after President E.D. Mnangagwa. Bodza mafungiro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Ndina comment section yedu dzafungiro enyu. So subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon.